Hey guys, what is going on? Nelson here. Have you ever fired up Windows 10 or tried to complete some other task only to have the Windows notification sound bombard your inbox? I am going to show you a quick way to disable or customize that right now. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and hover over the Start menu and right-click on it and click on Settings. From here, click on System and click on Notifications and Actions. If you want to quickly disable all notifications, you're going to go ahead and click here and turn this off. If you want the notification pop-ups, but you do not want the sounds, you can go ahead and click here to allow notifications to not play sounds. Or if we scroll down, we can customize which apps we allow to send us notifications. All right, guys, I hope you found that content useful. If you did, please do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please do not hesitate to comment below. All right, take care.